What is ethical hacking? When people hear hacker, they usually think criminal, but hacking isn't always a bad thing. Ethical hacking is hacking with permission. Companies ask ethical hackers to test their systems and find weak spots before criminals do. Think of it like hiring someone to check your doors and windows so thieves can't get in. Same skills, different purpose. Ethical hackers protect. That's what this course is about. So stay tuned and we're going to discuss and create a hacker out of you. Before you practice hacking, you need a safe lab. Install VirtualBox or VMware to run virtual machines. Use Kali Linux as your main attacker system. Use Metasploitable or DVWA as targets, or try using WSL if you want Linux inside Windows. This way, you can experiment freely without touching real systems or breaking the law. Tools every hacker needs. Here are the essentials. Kali Linux, your main platform. Wireshark, see what's happening on your network. Wsuits, test websites and applications. Metasploit, run safe and controlled attacks. DVWA or Metasploitable to practice targets. The tools matter, but the real skill is knowing why and how to use them. Let's continue on the next video, information gathering.